Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Priyam Ghosh, and this video I am making with a very heartbreaking feeling that our Siliguri town is going to lose thousands and lakhs of trees very soon. I don't know, still the decision is on pending, but I hope the decision comes in the favor of the nature. There are three major things which are taking place in Siliguri. One is our Batdogra, Salbari to Batdogra, the elevated corridor, or the Matigara you say, the elevated corridor, where we have already lost 1000 or more trees from the cities, which was a fully green road, but all the trees were cut down. And now the new regulations have come for an elevated way from Sevok Bazaar to Sevok military camp, which will be consisting of lakhs of trees cut down. This is one of the thing. And currently I am in SF Road. Matlab, in the terms of development, yes, I am in favor of development, but in the terms of development, we are destroying the greenery which is already destroyed in the cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata. But why a pleasant city like Siliguri is lost in some trees? I am in SF Road, and SF Road currently had a currently I am in SF Road, and SF Road is going in a pavement road. They are planning for a pavement road in a sideways, and this will consist of cutting down of several trees, and some government officials have given stating that these trees will be transferred, but transferred in such big trees, is it possible really? I think it is not possible at all. So they are planning that if this is the road and they want to pavement is something like this, more than 3 to 3.5 meters, which will be purely pavement road. But I think in a road like SF Road, where we do not have such traffic, in Hilkard Road it was, then we should consider rather Hilkard Road should be developed. SF Road has such greenery inside the town, but still they are cutting the trees. This is also a tree in my back. This is front of Mandir, and this is the trees. You can see these trees also has been cut, the branches has been cut, these trees, and they are making the road like that. So very very pathetic. I will show you the thing from that side also. If these trees are cut, some are outside of the pavement pavement program, but if this each and every tree for a city is very important, and air quality index is always 200 plus in our city, and sometimes 100 plus. So showing you that thing. This is the how at the side of the road they are going to pavement the road, and this is a totally, I think, useless project of development. This is not required at all. Yes, they can make the footpath, but saving the tree. You can see this tree's branch has been cutted off. अगर कोई इंसान का हाथ ऐसे काट दिया जाए तो कैसा लगेगा? And this tree will also be maybe uprooted in some days. This is such big tree, you know. You can see the size of this tree. And if these types of trees are uprooted from a city, developing city, already we have lost 1000 to 2000 trees in the Sevok, in the city center side. Then what will be the air quality index of this city? What will be the greenery? Hilkard Road also we don't have trees. SF Road was full of trees, but this has been destroyed. You can see the branches has been cut off. I don't know whether this tree will be alive or not within few days. So this is an awareness program of the Siliguri, efforts the people of Siliguri. This is not any political type of video. As a citizen of Siliguri, I request everyone to come up and save these trees. If these trees does not get saved, then we will be having a atmosphere like Delhi is. Sometimes we see that inhaling in Delhi is inhaling 14 cigarettes a day is same in Delhi. So if you do not want that type of air quality index. So as I can understand, this tree will be totally uprooted. See, all the branches has been cut off. Just see the condition of this tree. And we are destroying the greenery, something like this in from our city. Really ridiculous type of decision. As a citizen, I am saying. And for development purpose, if we need to cut some trees, then we should plant the trees here in the middle of the road, making that area little bit longer. If we, instead of this blue railing, if we give some trees, it would be shoot more in this line, like we have in a Kolkata sector 5. So easily these rings can be replaced by trees. I don't know why these have not been taken up. So if do not want that type of air quality index, please save these trees. I request to all the citizens of Siliguri, if they are aware of their self, their children and their other generations, older generation, then please save these trees of SF Road. SF Road has a too much greenery, and greenery is the only way to save the earth. We plant small trees in World Environment Day, and we are cutting such big trees which are serving oxygen for years to us. And already I am repeatedly saying the Sevok project is also on the way. I don't know, it's a destruction of wildlife in the terms of development. That's all. If you think this video was good, do like the button, do press the like button, but I will not say to subscribe. Share this video to among your friends and family and make awareness among the citizens of Siliguri. Thank you.